All right, everybody, it's Miss Rae Ann back to read another story. This one is called Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. There's a button. Hi, everybody. My name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Maybe. What do you think? Here I go. Oh! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. 1, 2. Ah! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. There's lots of Larrys. All right, shake the book to get rid of all of the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Should I scratch him? Okay, I will. Wait a minute. I went backwards. Sorry, guys. Hee hee. It tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. All right, everybody, we can take turns next time we see you. See you next time. Bye.